NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life.
On a frozen moon, a silent factory forges machines that mine by whispering to the vacuum.
Inside, quantum furnaces, sealed chambers, and robotic lines prepare the ZeroPoint mining bots for distant worlds. Deep below, a single mining bot hovers in a dark shaft, rock flowing upward around it.
There is no drilling or blasting. Matter simply releases, atom by atom, into controlled streams.
This is extraction by whispering to the vacuum itself. Tonight, we witness how such machines are born. Humanity needs more metals and exotic elements than ever, yet tearing open worlds has become intolerable.
Physicists discover that tapping the restless zero-point field can free matter without scars or explosive force.
The ZeroPoint Mining Bot bends this hidden ocean, persuading atomic bonds to loosen under precise quantum imbalance.
Such a machine cannot be built in ordinary space. Its heart forms inside a sealed quantum chamber.
To core. A black composite sphere floats above the regolith, encircled by blue gravitic light.
Maglev tracks deliver asteroid alloys, synthetic diamond, and graphene spools to the core's perimeter intake bays.
Crimson-lit containers glide past, carrying superfluid helium, Bose-Einstein conduit, and entangled crystals for distant quantum links.
In the pre-chamber, robotic arms bathe each component in purple plasma, stripping charges and healing atomic imperfections. Purified parts enter the main chamber, where gravity relaxes and components float in concentric magnetic lattices.
Environment cools to near absolute zero. Thermal noise fades, leaving only the subtle hum of vacuum.
Femtosecond lasers weave white fire, printing a fractal metamaterial chassis tuned to resonate with vacuum fluctuations. The completed frame hangs like an intricate metal seed, its central hollow reserved for the extractor heart.
At the core, a crystal wafer sits within Casimir plates and superconducting veins, ready to be reshaped.
Magnetic gradients and artificial gravity sweep through, warping microscopic space and coaxing the crystal lattice into alignment.
Between the plates, random vacuum jitters channel into patterns, turning the wafer into a living zero-point map.
Hundreds of extractor nodes grow, each tuned for metals, silicates, or rare exotic elements barely found in nature.
Robotic assemblers implant nodes into the weighting chassis as liquid glass conductors flow and solidify into pathways.
Nearby, a photonic cognition core glows, diamond waveguides carrying entangled photons that will become the bot's mind.
Robots thread the cognition core through the bot's spine, linking every extractor node into one coordinated instrument. Layered armor closes around it as adaptive limbs and multifaceted sensor clusters attach, completing the physical body.
The finished ZeroPoint mining bot now floats dormant in the chamber, awaiting power and its first extraction test.
Lights dim as external fields retreat. A transparent block of synthetic regolith positions itself across from the bot.
Power seeps into the cognition core, entangled photons blooming into awareness of self and nearby dense matter.
A pulse races through the extractor array. Around the block, binding energies relax and the regolith unwinds.
Atoms drift free in glittering streams, sorted by invisible fields into pure elements without dust or violent fracture.
Diagnostics confirm perfect stability. Beyond the chamber, entire fleets of bots.
On Earth, these bots descend through narrow shafts, lifting resources quietly while leaving the crust almost untouched. In orbit, bots disassemble dead satellites and stations, converting debris into pristine feedstock for new constructions. Over asteroids, they hover in pale halos, dissolving boulders into pure nickel, platinum, and iridium streams.
Farther out, they may sculpt habitats from comets and rogue planets, assembling materials atom by atom.
We build them to mine, yet their precision begins to reveal how gently reality itself can be reshaped.
A newly forged bot glides toward the exit lock,
leaving the quantum cradle for the waiting frozen moon.
Beyond that moon lie belts of stone and countless distant worlds, each brimming with hidden, orderly potential. The bot's ZeroPoint array hums as it takes its first full breath of manipulable vacuum.
If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.